Good morning, children. I'm glad to see you. Look around, please. Can you guess this place? You are absolutely right. We are in our school library. And what can we find there? Of course, books. A lot of books. Different books. We can find there thick and thin books, old and new books, interesting and boring sometimes.
Be quiet, please.
Oh, sorry. So, children, I'm going to our classroom and you think about the topic and aim of our lesson at this moment. So, children, we are in our classroom. And now let's check your prediction. The topic of our lesson is the huge world of books, and the aim of our lesson is to present and practice vocabulary. So, we know the topic, the aim, and now answer please the question. Why do people read? Let's see. People read for pleasure. People read for information. People read for doing homework. People read for learning how to make something. People read for fun. People read for get good marks. People read for election. And people can read for telling somebody else. So children, we have answered the question, why do people read? And today we are going to learn the words which will help you to answer the question, what can people read? So, when we speak with you about books, we speak with you about literature. There are two kinds of literature. Fiction isn't based on real facts, and non-fiction is based on real facts. So, repeat after me. Fiction. Fiction. Художественная литература. Выдумка. Fiction. Противоположность, opposite to this word, is non-fiction. Non-fiction. Repeat after me. Non-fiction. Документальная литература, которая основана на реальных событиях и фактах. There are two kinds of fiction. Traditional and modern. Traditional and modern. Modern – современный. There are some kinds of traditional fiction. Let's see. Novels. Novels. Романы. Novels. Poetry. Poetry. Поэзия. Poetry. Fairy tales. Fairy tales. Children like them. Legends. Legends. Легенды. Legends. Folklore. Folklore. Repeat after me. Folklore. Фольклор. Общее понятие. Short stories. Short stories. Рассказы. Fable. Fable. Repeat after me. Fable. Басня. Plays. 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 Пьесы. Plays. Yes. So, other kinds of modern fiction. We have comic books or comics, video games, and films. Non-fiction has next kinds. Autobiography. Автобиография. Repeat after me. Autobiography. Next word. Biography. Биография. Biography. The difference is that autobiography, I write about myself. Biography, I write about yourselves. Travel writing. Путевые заметки. travel writing. Essay, essay, essay. Diary, diary. Ваш личный дневник. Diary. Repeat after me. Diary. And the last one is letter. Letter, you know, письмо, letter. So, we are ready with the words. And now, let's practice our words. Do please exercise 2b on the page 197 in your students' books. Match please these genres with their descriptions. And now let's check. Number 1. A short piece of writing on a certain subject that is found in a book or a newspaper or written by a student is, yes, an essay. An essay. Number 2. Traditional stories, sayings, and beliefs from a particular region is folklore. Folklore. Number 3. A book that someone writes about someone else's life. It is a biography. A biography. Next. A written description of your day is a diary. Next, a book about your life that you write yourself is an autobiography. Autobiography. Next description. A traditional children's story in which magic things happen. Easy, yes, is a fairy tale, a fairy tale. And the last description, a traditional story usually about animals that teaches a moral lesson is a fable, of course, a fable. And now, children, use your help box from exercise to see on the page 198 and say what genres you prefer and why. For example, from my point of view, people read for fun and pleasure, but I prefer legends for enjoyment. They are so fascinating and thrilling. Sometimes they are full of fun and adventures. Some of them have a mystery. I am fond of legends because they are about historical events and famous people. Good luck and thank you for attention.